the Node 2, named Harmony. On the left-hand side, we see the the inboard part of the Kibo Laboratory Complex. On the opposite side of Harmony is the Columbus Laboratory Module. That's the European Space Agency's lab. Kibo is the contribution of the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency. As the camera continues to tilt, we look aft of Harmony, which is connected to the U.S. laboratory module named Destiny. The truss structure, which runs at a right angle to the tube of the International Space Station, is actually attached to the top of the Destiny module. From this view, on the right side of Destiny is the Quest airlock. Attached to it, closest to us, is a platform for storage. You can also see there on the starboard, the back of the first section of the starboard truss, photovoltaic radiators. Attached to the underside of Destiny is another Canadian contribution, the special purpose dexterous manipulator. If you continue aft, the backside of Destiny is attached to the Unity node, node number 1. Another pressurized mating adapter attached to its nadir side. That's the pressurized mating adapter number 3. And beyond the Unity module is out of our view is pressurized mating adapter number 1, which connects Unity to the Zarya module, the first module of the International Space Station. Beyond PMA-3, you see one of the two, a Russian spacecraft. That's a Soyuz spacecraft that's docked to the underside of Zarya. Beyond Zarya is the Zvezda module, which is the control, is the Russian section's central part that controls operations in the Russian section. Attached to its underside, and actually obscured in our view, is the Pirs docking compartment. Attached to the Pirs, to the underside of Pirs, the aft end of Pirs, is another Russian ship, a Progress ship. The two vehicles joined together since Discovery's Flight Day 3 are orbiting 222 miles above the western Pacific. They've just passed over the area of the Philippines and will be flying east of the islands of Japan about the time they move into another orbital nighttime. Before that happens, we'll break away here on NASA television for a look at the highlights of yesterday on orbit, Flight Day 6